United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 41. Sea lanes and traffic separation schemes in straits used for international navigation. 1. In conformity with this part, states bordering straits may designate sea lanes and prescribe traffic separation schemes for navigation in straits where necessary to promote the safe passage of ships. 2. Such states may, when circumstances require, and after giving due publicity thereto, substitute other sea lanes or traffic separation schemes for any sea lanes or traffic separation schemes previously designated or prescribed by them. 3. Such sea lanes and traffic separation schemes shall conform to generally accepted international regulations. 4. Before designating or substituting sea lanes, or prescribing or substituting traffic separation schemes, states bordering straits shall refer proposals to the competent international organization with a view to their adoption. The organization may adopt only such sea lanes and traffic separation schemes as may be agreed with the states bordering the straits, after which the states may designate, prescribe, or substitute them. 5. In respect of a strait where sea lanes or traffic separation schemes through the waters of two or more states bordering the strait are being proposed, the states concerned shall cooperate in formulating proposals in consultation with the competent international organization. 6. States bordering straits shall clearly indicate all sea lanes and traffic separation schemes designated or prescribed by them on charts, to which due publicity shall be given. 7. Ships in transit passage shall respect applicable sea lanes and traffic separation schemes established in accordance with this article.